Good morning everyone. It's our last day here and I need to get ready and shower because the bus will be here at around 10 and it's currently 8 a.m. and I still need to dry my hair and stuff. So yeah. I'm done getting ready. I didn't put on any makeup because today is a day full of flying and staying still waiting for the flight. My face is breaking out super bad, which I hate, but I'll try to show you guys my fit without flashing you my mom doing her makeup. Moving from the coffee place to Swanson's because every Swanson's in Indonesia are closed, so my mom wanted to have one last Swanson's before we head back home. Heading back to the hotel to check out.
Datang kembali ke tanah air. Atas nama Transnusa, Kapten Romi Widianto dan seluruh awak pesawat yang bertugas hari ini mengucapkan terima kasih atas pilihan Anda terbang bersama Transnusa dan sampai jumpa lagi di penerbangan lainnya.
Touchdown in Jakarta. Home sweet home. Hi guys, I just got back from a church gathering and I believe I forgot to show you guys what I bought from Phuket. So here's a little review and a mini unboxing. Let's get started. Ignore my hair. The bangs been bothering me so much, so just tie them up. Anyways, the first product I want to show you guys is Aurora Long Stay Eyeliner in the shade Dark Brown. I've been hearing how like my eye type doesn't really suit black eyeliners because they make my eyes look kind of out there. I still have my old eyeliner that my mom got me from Bangkok, but they used to be my favorite because they're super waterproof, but it's black and it dries super fast. That's why I'm finishing this, then I'm gonna be moving on to this one. It's dark brown. I've tried them out in Phuket and I love them, so I've been regretting why didn't I buy more. That's the first product. Second things I bought is this. I bought two for 99 baht at 7-Eleven. The TikTok girlies are all raving about this, so I was kind of curious, but I couldn't find them anywhere. But then I saw them at 7-Eleven near my hotel. I was like, I'm gonna get them. Only 99 baht, so like kind of worth it. It's supposed to help your dark circles, which I have. I've been using them since my last night in Phuket and I haven't seen any difference, but it's super refreshing. Another recommendation from TikTok. I haven't tried them, but I hope the TikTok girlies didn't lead me astray. But it's supposed to be plumping. See? Pink plus instant plump. The packaging is kind of like super simple. I'm not sure about plumping. I'm not even sure about the color, but they're super glossy and a bit sticky, which I don't really like. Got them for 10 baht each at 7-Eleven. I was like, do you know how much I bought? I bought 20 of these. I bought 20. After 3 uses, my hair is like super silky and smooth. I was also recommended by TikTok, so big up TikTok. Acne patch. Didn't really get any recommendation for this, but I got some acne after swimming in Phuket, and I was like, I needed some patches because the one that I usually use are for decoration kinda, not really for medical use. Next, Cat It All. I bought 3 eyebrow pencils for my mom because they're my mom's favorite and her old one is running out. A shiny lipstick, Blink Orange. I'm not sure about them, but here we go. I hate the color. They're like, I'll try to salvage them. Let's blend. Not bad. After blending, it's not bad. The last thing I bought, look at that. Look how cute it is. Shiny Bear Lip Moist. Also by Cat It All. Look how cute. I believe you open them. So small. Thankfully, I like the color. But anyways, that's all I bought. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next adventure. I don't know when, but I'll see you guys then.